So imagine today I'm like all dressed and all, like in terms of that's what I always try to make sure I'm like dressed. But the thing is, there's been a bit of a delay since the time I got ready, and since I'm recording this video, and the delay was because of me itself. I mean, like really. And there's a part of me that's wondering, like, oh God, I mean, how how will I do the recording and all? So hats off to these actors and actresses and these people who wear heavy makeup, heavy costume and jewelry and sit and wait for their shot. Oh my God, wow, like that's a real test of patience. So truly, people, like I said, I'm on this whole mission of speaking about you know people who like, if you all were to watch this particular web series called Karanjit Kaur, The Untold Story of Sunny Leone. You know, Sunny Leone, the person who plays Sunny Leone's mom in the series, is this very nice person, very nice actress called Grusha Kapoor. And like, I watched that show, honestly. Of course, there was that, it's a very well made web series that shows the very human, normal, warm Punjabi side to, Sunny Leone, the star. And it is Grusha Kapoor who plays her mom, who kind of contributes to making that series so watchable. And so, I mean, she's got this comic element, and truly, yeah, I think like how Shah Rukh Khan said in one interview that it's easy to make people cry, but to make, as an actor, to make a person laugh is a real it's a real talent. And in fact, Akshay Kumar also, in an interview, he had mentioned, he said, a person who's able to do comedy should be on par, if not better than the lead role, because it's so tough, yeah, to make people laugh and all of that. So truly, Grusha ma'am, I mean, sorry, this video is not like the most well edited video or well made video, but it is just a simple, like, it's a thing to say thank you, ma'am, for giving us cinema that is you would want to watch again and again. Because I remember seeing Grusha Kapoor back when almost a few decades ago, when there was this show called Tara that was running, and till date I remember her. So people, if you all haven't watched Karanjit Kaur, The Untold Story, you will need to watch it just to see how cute the comic timing of Grusha Kapoor is in this series. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.